Which of the following animals is a large terrestrial bird native to the rainforest? C. Toucan. What is the largest cat species found in the rainforest? A. Jaguar. Which of the following animals is a type of large primate found in the rainforest? B. Orangutan. What is the largest rodent species found in the rainforest? C. Capybara. What is the largest species of snake found in the rainforest? A. Anaconda. Which of these animals is known for its distinctive, colorful feathers and loud calls in the rainforest? A. Parrot.